So ngayon, pupunta kami sa venue ng convention. Kasi today pa lang siya mag-i-start, 5 p.m. Kahapon, symposium lang yon ng City Mayor ng Himeji. So today, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. yung program. Start pa lang today. Then yung food, free food, bukas pa siya mag-i-start. So kailangan sa Japan, guys, comfortable shoes kasi lakad to the max tayo dito. And ayan, so chill lang siya, hindi ganun mainit, hindi din ganun kalamig. Ayan, walking distance lang yung venue. Ito mga 10 minutes away, 10 to... Saan sa Japan? Train.
Puro train.
Dark train. Ganda kasi yung river nila. Walang basura. Sobrang linis. Device. Kasi yung mga nauna sa akin may mga idea. Ayan. Yung mga dito guys sa yung mga attendee forum. Sa forum na ito, usually mga leaders ng iba't ibang bansa, especially sa risk assessment or disaster management. Also, yung sa Bureau of Treasury head ng Pilipinas nandito kasi sponsored to guys ng World Bank at saka yung World Bank Global Facility for Disaster and Recovery Management in coordination with the UNDP or the United Nations Development Program. Ang ganda ng ano. 5 yung start. Ayan. Saan na ba yung kasama ko? Sa hallway makikita mo yung pwedeng basahin tungkol sa mga past disaster. Ito yung Hi. You are welcome. What do you think about this picture of how the what do you think disaster? Yesterday we have the symposium. Yesterday we have the symposium with the mayor of Himeji City, and I can say that apart from the restoration and rehabilitation of the Himeji Castle, the part which I really like with the discussion is that the people here in Himeji has emotional attachment towards their culture and heritage. That is why they really have the courage to preserve. They have that you can buildings you can actually preserve. However, without that deep emotional attachment to something in your you can just put or you can just rely on whatever engineering that you have. But when I listened to the mayor yesterday, the very element that.
So
You have been in the Philippines?
yeah, I've been to Manila and Iloilo Islands.
Iloilo, yeah.
So I learned.
So you must be very, very intelligent. Yeah, you must be because if you're JICA scholar, discover in the Philippines.
I'm happy to their smile in the Philippines. Everyone is singing and dancing.
Yeah. You have to visit some other place like Boracay or Palawan. Those are the most beautiful places in the Philippines so far. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And then I kept thinking how complex are the mechanisms that we have to respond to risk. If you think about it, it's first the feeling, then the action, and after that, the experience.
From the Passive Net Service. Protect your property and prepare your grab bag. Look after vulnerable people, such as your elderly neighbours and those.
Just want to document everything.